And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 28. And let us return to the color splash effect one more time. And we'll use the quick selection tool. At first Ctrl J to copy. Then I open the adjustment layers. Right here we want to use black and white. Use auto for now. Switch back to the original copy. So our image. And now we use the quick selection tool on the lips. I'm on the second mode right here for adding. You can adjust the size right next to it. We try 25 pixels and left click drag over what you want to preserve. Now let's make our black and white adjustment layer visible again, and I switch to its layer mask, the white element. Now we use the brush, you can press B for that, and I make black my foreground color. And now I simply paint over the selection. Then Ctrl D to deselect, and there you go. So everything's black and white except for the lips. And you can see how the quick selection tool helps us here as well, making things a little bit easier. So it's a good idea to know how to use it. I've shown you a couple of examples in the last tutorials, so make sure to try it out yourself. You will, as always, find a link to the image that I'm using here in the video description. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.